Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Ferdin and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm trying something different because I'm doing unboxing video. You feel me? And my bad, I had to open it. This is the drone Mavic Air. You see? Mavic Air drone. Focus on me. When you are buying something, it's obviously you are going to have the manuals. So all the manuals are here. I don't have time to go through all the manuals. You don't have to focus on me, you have to focus on this. You feel me? You have to focus. So their packaging is very nice, which you can choose from black, red and white. So this is the charger, and I haven't seen something like this. I don't know, I haven't seen something like this before. The charger is quite different. It has 2 pins. That's the charger, and it's quite long for you to do whatever you want. Mavic Air accessories. So I think this is the accessories. I just opened it, so my bad if you can't find something. This is the end to end. I think nothing is here. I just anyways, and we have I'm just doing it quick. This is the controller. You see, focus, and this is the stand for it. You see, so you just fix it. I don't have time to fix it now. So you just fix this ones, place it down so that the drone can land on it. What else? I'm just doing it quick. So, and the most important thing, this is the controller. So you just, this how it is, you just pull this out, pull it out. And one thing is that it has a cable here. It has a cable here which comes with an Apple cable. You see, an Apple cable. Now this is where this one comes in. When you are using you have to get a mouth for it. You see, so just get a mouth for this one, place it in, and you are through. If you are using Android, my bad. So, and it also comes with a USB cable here. You just plug it in and give it to your machine, and now they have a game for it. You can go and download it, but I haven't started with it. It has an instructions to here, some instructions. You have to follow it and do it, and you have to pull this one out in order for you to be able to control it. This is where you put your phone so that you can see whatever happens when the drone is away. You get it? And this is it, the controller, as you can see. So this is the controller, and Mavic Air, and here is where you power it on, the landing and sport. If you want it to be like the one they race with, this is your thing. What else? FN, I don't know much about it, but I will go and search. So this is how you on it. You put it on, just hold it, you just hold it, so it's on. Feel me? It's on. You heard it? That's it, it's on. So yes, and if you want to switch it off to, you see, it has this. I'm about to use it, so don't worry. Sorry for the background noise too. You see, it's still on. So when you are about to off it, you just click it. I don't know how to say it, but click it like 1 2 1 2, then move on, it's off, and that's it. I'm done with it. This is my first time, so my bad. The main thing The main thing, now we have the main drone, and it comes with the package. Like, this one is very nice. Yeah, packaging, just feel it. This is a material, see, it's very nice, and it has something here. You can check it out when you get yours. Very nice. So focus. Okay, so with the bag, which is easy to carry out, it also have all this inside. You can just check, but my main focus is on the drone. So this is how the drone looks like. This is how it looks like. Now if you don't know how to open it, like, just open the, I don't know, is it the wings or what, I don't know, but you just pull this one out like this. It's like this, so you just pull it out. Now this place is the most important thing. You won't just pull it out like this, but you bring it down before you just open it. You see how simple it is? Bring it down, fix it in, down, up, you just open it. So you just apply the same thing to the other side. Okay, so we have it here. This is the drone. Wow, finally. So this is what it is. This is what it is. It's looking nice, perfect, very nice. So this is the power button. You can pop and it's on. And this comes with a battery inside it. It comes with a battery, so I don't know, it's already inbuilt. Everything is inbuilt here. And this is the camera, and I think this is the sensor, so that it can't hit an object. This is the ultrasonic sensor. It will just avoid objects. And this is where the LED lights comes from. And let me just switch it on so that you know how it is. You see, it's on. Oh, see what it's doing. So you see, you had it. When you switch it on, this how LED lights, ultrasonic sensor, camera. Don't know if you can see, focus. This is the camera, and I think I'm done. I don't know how to fly it yet, but I'm gonna learn and come back again to show you guys. But with this, it also comes with this cable drone. I'm currently recording. I would have flied it, but I'm currently recording from my phone. So for now, this is what you have to know. I just did an unboxing video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. If you are new to this channel, just do well to subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna give you more unboxing videos and pranks, everything. I just had to do it. So my channel is for entertainment, but you should think of it. I could use this for vlogging, for my thing, you get it, so that my videos will be nice for you to watch. So I think this is the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and if you are new to this channel, just subscribe. You dig? So I just forgot my intro. Amen, it's your boy Fadin, and I'm out.